Vehicles and equipment are critical to the success of your organization, but keeping these assets in good shape and profitable is a constant juggle between maintenance schedules, vehicle inspections, driver assignments, and much more. On top of that, EV integrations bring additional complexities. Running a modern fleet needs modern solutions, from acquisition to disposal. Meet Kazam's fleet management software that helps you proactively manage every task in the asset's lifecycle from anywhere with one easy-to-use platform. Maximize uptime by creating servicing programs and reminders based on custom time intervals or vehicle usage, and get a clear view of compliances, keeping the status of your vehicles healthy. Kazam also makes it easy to manage unplanned maintenance with real-time reporting from the field. Drivers on an easy-to-use app can log issues from anywhere, notifying you of necessary repairs and instantly streamline the entire maintenance process. From there, assign repairs to in-house technicians, track labor, and even parts. Close the loop on every task and analyze maintenance trends with ease. You can also integrate your telematics devices to pull vehicle location and track odometer readings in the same platform. Powerful reporting tools allow you to see your operation costs in real time, track expenses and asset utilization, understand total cost of ownership, and determine the optimal time to replace your assets. Add users to your Kazam account and share the responsibility across your organization. Kazam software can help you plan charging schedules and optimize routes to never miss a delivery schedule. Join the hundreds of happy customers around the world who use Kazam to manage their new age fleets. Get in touch with us to learn the optimal way to manage your vehicle fleet.